So guys, with this video, we're going to look at KNUST Virtual Classroom tips and tricks for 2023. So now, when logging into KNUST Virtual Classroom, there are two ways of logging into KNUST Virtual Classroom. So I'm going to do all these two ways and teach you the tricks to know before semester starts. So let's get going. So the first we're going to look at is you go to your search, go to KNUST Virtual Classroom. So you just type KNUST Virtual Classroom and you wait for it to load. So now there's it. There's the interface. So then you go here, KNUST Virtual Classroom. You go here. Now when you go here, it's a home for learning resource. So it means that with this website here, it gives you everything you need to know. You get virtual classroom, online exams, video chat and conferencing, web room, conference, electronic information conference, prem-pred and library. So we have the library here. You can come here as an online library and access it, but you log in with your credentials. So now what I'm doing here is not you are doing virtual classroom. So you go to virtual classroom. Now when you go to virtual classroom, you're going to log into virtual classroom. Now, one advice I'll give to students if they have problem logging in, or you must find out. So you must first check if you're able to log into the virtual classroom. If you're not, then you contact UITS KNUST located at Castle Hayford. You can go there yourself or contact them and make sure that they allow you to access this virtual classroom, because some of them have problems accessing this virtual classroom. So you should find out and try to log in to see whether you have that problem. If you don't have that problem, let's get going. So now here, I just log in. So because everything I have, okay, invalid. Oh, okay. So let me do something here. So that means that I need to put in my password. So let me put in my password. And this is my ID that the school gave me. You can choose to change your password anytime you want to log in. So I'm logging into the virtual classroom with my ID. So this is the virtual classroom. Wow. So when you open to your virtual classroom, this is it. Now let's get going. Let me update. So now, when we talk about the virtual classroom is an online platform for all your courses. So most lecturers use that, but some lecturers don't use the virtual classroom, but some also use. So I'm going to make you understand how it operates. So now when you go here, right? When you come here first, let's go down here. So now let's talk about the editing side and customize this page. So you can customize this page. It means that any color that you want this page to, you can customize this page and get a color for it, right? Yes, it means that you can use this and do it, customize the page. Now let's see something here. Now, when you come here, right, we have timeline. When we talk about timeline, what is going to happen? So with the timeline, always put it at what? All. Put your timeline at all. It means that it's going to give you upcoming events. If you have an assignment uploaded here, if any lecturer wants to do something, always put your timeline at all so you see everything. Now let's go. The customized page, when you go there, you're going to change the color of the page, anyhow you want the page to look like it's your own, right? Now online users. So this make you access those who are online at the moment. So with this one user online, that is still normal. That's me, I'm online. So that means that no one is online apart from me. So you can see that, right? And also we tell you access the calendar. We have calendar here for 2022 or 2023, depending on the year that you are in. And here is the upcoming event. So if you have any assignment to upload, anything here, you come here. Now, let's go to the course overview. So when you come here, course overview, always when you come here, right, I urge you to put in progress. When I put in future, it means that the course I'll be doing in future. Only if the lecturers have uploaded the course, I'll see it. Now, always put this in progress, because that's what you're going to do in progress. So in progress, what I've done so far is I've done algebra, communication skills 1 and 2. I've done calculus, I've done chemistry, I've done all these courses. I've done it already. All beneficiation, I've done it. So most of the lecturers don't use the online platform, but I have a specific lecturer who always uses the online platform. Phase transformation was done online. So let's go to phase transformation. So when it comes to phase transformation, you see everything in your progress. Everything you need to know is that it's here. Now the lecturer uploads everything that you need to know on this platform. That's what the lecturer does. So here we have the continuous assessment from here. So this is lecture slice, continuous assessment here. Now when you are done with that, you just take it. It means that you are done with it. So it's going to add to the progress mark. Now when you're done, so now look at this. These were assignments that were given to us by the lecturer. How did I submit this assignment? So when they give the assignment, most of the time when it will come here as announcement. Then when it comes as announcement, what you do is that you download the assignment. So you tap the assignment like this. When you tap the assignment, it's going to send it to the page. So this is it. So then you download the assignment. You just tap this and it download the assignment for you. You tap this side. Now after you type it, then you need to submit the assignment. Now, after I have submitted for reading. So if you are about to submit it, you have a submit box here that you press submission, and you can check the description of this video. I did how to submit your assignment using the KNUST virtual classroom. You can do that for that there. Now, after that, now they give you time remaining, so make sure that you always submit it on time or in time before the time is due. That when the time is due, you will be able to submit your assignment. Yes, as I told you, if you have problems, go to UITS University. You can contact them, or you can go to Casifefo. They are in charge of this everything, right? Now, I told you that there are 2 ways in doing this. Now, after you submitted your assignment, then you are gone. Now, let's go something here. You can go to this 3 bar and you see everything you have to do. So you will see we have the participation, number of people participated in this course. We have you can see we have, so the number of people participated in this course are 371, and these are my course mates. So if you don't even know some of your course mates, you can come in the course, then you can see all their names here. So they are all students, and you can see it. So sometimes if you want to search for someone's name and the person doesn't want to tell you, you can go there and see the person's name. And this is the person biography. Wow. So the person, everything you need to know about the person is here. You can just, the index number. Some people find it difficult you getting the person index number. You just come to virtual classroom and just make sure that you can get a person index number from virtual classroom, because when you go to virtual classroom, you get a chance to get if you go to Jefta upper, when you're open, it gives you everything you need to know. You see, you get index number, as you can see from there. You can see index number, you can see city or town, country. So if the person doesn't want to tell you anything about it, you can go for full profile. Full profile will give you all the details about the person, and you can see it from here the course the person did this year. So if someone is trying to hide the kind of index number, you can just come to virtual classroom and access that. Now let's move on. So now if when you are done with everything, that is the thing you need to do. So downloading, submission. Sometimes you have an exam, you come there and deadline is there. You just come here and access it. Right? That's all. Now if you are done and you want to log out, you just come to this side and press this and just press log out. And you are going. Now let me teach you the next one too. The next one I'm going to talk about, that I'm going to teach you the trick, is that you can also use a different way to access it. Now we have online exams. These are the virtual academic space, right? So you can access everything from here. You can access the library, you can access everything you need. So we have the library. Let's go into the library, KNUST the second library. So when you go there, this is the home for library, and you can get everything right online. So it's sometimes if you want to go to the library, it is closed at Sundays and open on Saturdays 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock noon, Monday 9 o'clock to 5 p.m. So you can access all your books from paper in the library. What people don't understand is that most people go to the library, but well, you can be in your hostels and get this library, everything you need to know from this website, and it's very nice for you to access that. Now let me teach you the second way of logging in with the virtual classroom. So the second way of logging with the virtual classroom is that you are going to use something called the student portal. So you go to student portal. So student portal KNUST login. So if this website is not working for you, then you go to student portal. Then you log in with AMAP. So it's an app. You can use AMAP to go to the virtual classroom. So then you try to change everything here. This is password. And you go to your so you press sign in. Okay, I think from the password, let me see. Let's see if it works. So when you open, this is it. So this is the AIM app. So you can also use this. We have the AIM app. The app is we have the AIM app. The app is on. You can get the description of this video and learn how this AIM app operates. So we have app store. You go to App Store. You can definitely go to the store. So you come here. Now the AIM app also gives you a different way. So it contains everything you need to do, and you come here and just type in. You have virtual classroom. So when you type in virtual classroom from here, it's going to make you access. So it's going to give you the same website to virtual classroom. You log in with your credentials and access it. So thank you very much for watching this video.